In level 5, we're going to move now from theory to actually start doing some hands-on stuff. And I'm going to show you how to build fantastic websites using Joomla, which is, in my opinion, the best content management system out there. And I'm going to show you how to utilize it. This is something I've been doing for years now. I've been using primarily Joomla. So when people have questions about Joomla, they need to learn about it, they usually reach out to me. So I'm going to show you how to utilize Joomla, which is a content management system to be able to build, dynamic and great websites. And in module 21, this is the beginner's guide. So if you've never heard of Joomla before, you've never used it before, you have no clue what it is, this is a great way for you to start, because I'm going to be covering every aspect of Joomla that you need to know in order to use it. In module 22, I'm going to show you how to maintain your Joomla website. Just like anything else, websites need maintenance. When you have a car or you have a boat or an airplane, you can't just drive that car for 10 years and never get an oil change, or never get, the tire rotated, or just some of the common maintenance stuff. So just like you have to take care of your car and maintain your car, it's the same thing with your website. And I'm going to show you how to maintain your Joomla website to make sure that, it's going well. In module 23, I'm going to show you how to keep your Joomla site safe. When it comes to security, you can never overprotect it. With all the hacking that's going on now, I'm going to show you key things that you can do, steps that you can take to minimize that your site doesn't get hacked. There's some key things that you can do that is going to make it very, very difficult for someone to hack into your site. But a lot of times, most people don't take those steps because they don't know what those steps are. In module 24, I'm going to introduce you to components. Components are things that you add onto your site, like extensions, modules, and plugins to enhance the site. So by default, Joomla has some limitations to it. In order for you to add some features, there are things that you have to do to it, such as adding a component or installing extensions. And I'm going to go over what extensions are, how do you use them, how do you uninstall them, how do you make the best of it, what extensions to use, what plugins to use. So I'm going to cover everything that you need to know about components or extensions on your site. And finally, on module 25, I'm going to give you a checklist on things that you need to make sure are in place before your site goes live. A lot of times when people's site go live and it's not successful, it's because they've missed some key things in that process. But I'm going to go over a bunch of different things that you need to make sure that those things are working before going live, because it's going to save you so much headache, it's going to save you so much frustration, and your users are going to have a really great experience when they come on your site. I know that feeling that you have when your site goes live and you're so excited, you can't wait to tell the world. Well, you want to make sure that before you start telling the world that everything that you need to do is in place. You can always update things later on. You can always change things and move things around. But in your initial launch, there's some things that you need to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that effectively.